Good morning, a very warm welcome to all. I am Sambit and today I am going to talk about the topic online classes are better than offline classes. Yes, online classes is very amazing. We can listen to music and watch movies and no one will monitor us. Ma'am will not able to identify you, and if you don't want to study the boring subject like yoga and music, then only you join the class and switch off the video and do your private classes, homework or anything else you want. I am enjoying my online classes without wearing my school uniform and having my favorite mango shake. But apart from these funs, the online class also help us, like we can take tuition from any part of India. Like I got a god gifted Nabani ma'am to teach me from Kolkata. It helps me to cut my travel time as well as to complete my note. It can help me to utilize my time more on studies. The most importantly, I can see my expressions and performances through a video, just like a mirror. This is so exciting and enjoyable, which can be stored to evaluate my improvement areas. Due to this online facility, I have learned a lot of technological updates like attachment, uploading, videography, and to open a multiple windows, etc. This learning will enrich my IT knowledge for my future studies. So, considering all these benefits, I prefer online classes rather than offline classes. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Yashika Filfagar. I am a class 10 student and I am from Kolkata. So my topic on which I am going to speak today is, are online classes better than offline classes? And I am going to speak for the topic. So yes, according to me, they are far better than offline classes because it is an independent mode of learning where students learn from teachers and even they learn how to use the gadgets. And in this, because of online classes, the students can communicate with the teachers through their mobiles, laptops, even in this pandemic. In the crisis where many schools, or not many but yeah, some schools are not issuing or allowing online classes, but because of online classes we are still continuing with our studies and we are not having any harm to our studies or in our learnings. And the students can attend the classes from anywhere they want, from their houses, or if they are doing any kind of work, still they can continue the classes. And but in school they are not being able. For example, if you are not feeling well, you just take a leave from your school or from your institutions. But in online classes, you can lay down and still listen what the teacher is teaching. And the best thing according to me about online classes is that the teachers nowadays are recording the things which are being done in the class, or I can say they are recording the meetings, so that they can send those meetings to the ones who have any doubts, or to the ones who have missed those classes because of any reason. And yeah, that's all I can say about my topic. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Bhavanata of class 7. I want to tell that online classes are better than offline classes, and I will speak against. Yes, offline classes are better because in offline classes we can interact with the teacher very well. If a network issue comes in online classes, we cannot tell the teacher our doubts. Second part is that in online classes we cannot have fun, which is in offline classes more. As in offline classes we can play games like Sudoku, Bingo, etc. Third part is that people living in remote areas do not have smartphones, so they cannot download the apps which is necessary for the online classes. And the last part is that the co-curricular activities done in the school is now not done in online classes, as in online classes we we have to sit and do everything. So I conclude that offline classes are far better than online classes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Jain. I study in Lakshmipad Sadhan Academy and I am in class 7. My today's topic is, are online classes better than offline classes? I think offline classes are better than online classes because the students can do the work at the guidance of the teachers in front of them. The students will have more fun in doing the work with their friends, and and they will have the co-curricular activities like swimming, dance, yoga, etc. The most important thing is that it will have less exposure to the Wi-Fi radiation. We all know that it is harmful for the children. One more point is that lower middle class people will have burden in doing the online classes because they do not have any phone or laptops or tablets, and they will have to pay in using the internet connection. The students can fool their teachers by switching off their videos and doing something else. Even though due to the demand of the current situation, in the first time I took online classes and I am enjoying them. To conclude, I would say that online classes and offline classes both are good for me, but I would prefer more offline classes. Thank you.